Hi there, I'm Janine.
And I'm Kevin.
And we all know that it can be a struggle to find time for training.
But what if we told you we've dreamed up the ultimate online course that gives you the flexibility to learn on your time and on any device?
A guided course that teaches teams powerful, practical business storytelling skills with the accountability that your organization seeks.
At the Presentation Company, our digital learning journey combines technology and instructor-led guidance. Why? Because we believe that 100% human-free may help temporarily, but real behavior change comes from personal interaction.
That's why we've infused in our design digital and active learning components, from expert coaching to videos, personal action plans, even a mentor program.
And if you're looking for a scalable solution, we offer flexible cohort sizes to accommodate small groups and large, and a variety of learning journeys to address various roles and needs, from just a week or two to options that may go on for months.
No matter what path you take, we are committed to going beyond guided days of learning, with nurture campaigns for ongoing reinforcement and a social collaborative environment that encourages peer coaching.
If you're looking to transform the way your team consumes training and want to up-level the way people communicate at your company, we are here to help.
Contact us today to learn more about getting your team trained.